When you hear the word desert, you probably imagine endless sand dunes, scorching heat, and blazing sunshine. But what if I told you that the largest desert on Earth is actually Antarctica? A frozen continent covered in ice is officially classified as a desert. And the reason why might surprise you. Most people think deserts are defined by heat. That's why places like the Sahara Desert immediately come to mind. But scientists use a completely different definition. A desert is any region that receives very little precipitation throughout the year. In simple terms, deserts are dry places, not necessarily hot places. And that's exactly what makes Antarctica a desert. Despite being covered by massive ice sheets, Antarctica receives incredibly little precipitation. In many parts of the continent, less than 50 millimeters of precipitation falls each year. That's even less than some of the driest regions of the Sahara Desert. The interior of Antarctica is so dry that scientists often compare it to the surface of Mars. But if Antarctica is so dry, where did all the ice come from? The answer lies in time. Over millions of years, small amounts of snowfall accumulated faster than they melted. Layer after layer built up, eventually forming ice sheets that are several kilometers thick in some places. Today, Antarctica contains around 70% of the world's fresh water trapped in ice. Another surprising fact is that Antarctica is technically the largest desert on Earth. The continent covers approximately 14 million square kilometers. For comparison, the Sahara covers around 9 million square kilometers. That means Antarctica is significantly larger. Life in Antarctica faces extreme challenges. Temperatures can drop below minus 80 degrees Celsius. Powerful winds can exceed 300 kilometers per hour. And during winter, some areas experience months of complete darkness. Despite these harsh conditions, life still exists. Penguins, seals, whales, microscopic organisms, and specialized plants have adapted to survive in one of the most extreme environments on the planet. Scientists from around the world also live and work there. Research stations study climate change, astronomy, geology, and even clues about life beyond Earth. In fact, Antarctica's conditions are so unique that scientists use it to prepare for future missions to Mars. The frozen desert helps researchers understand how humans might survive on another planet. But Antarctica is changing. Rising global temperatures are causing parts of its ice sheets to melt faster than before. Scientists continue to monitor these changes because they could have major impacts on sea levels around the world. The next time someone asks you what the largest desert on Earth is, don't say the Sahara. The correct answer is Antarctica, a frozen desert at the bottom of the world. And it's one of the most fascinating places on our planet. If you learned something new today, subscribe to Curiosity Central and join us as we uncover the most fascinating facts, mysteries, and discoveries from around the world. Because curiosity never ends.